Hello, America. Here we have a mailbox post that rotted. The rotted piece is directly off camera. Does this turn? There we go. And this is a cross section that holds two mailboxes. It's holding my 3 bolts here that you might be able to see. I'm trying to remove these. I removed the bolts. That was easy using a wrench. But they're stuck in there pretty good, so I'm going to hit them with a hammer. Enjoy. Okay, that first one's coming out. It's out about 1/4 inch. So the technique is working. Got to reapply my clamps. Okay. Hand clamp. Okay, I got the second one out as much as I can. Third one. Okay. Got those 3 out from one end. Oh, now I can hear you. Okay. Let's ask Jimmy for help. There's it's my neighbor's plastic nameplate in the front. I'm trying not to damage that. So this entire board is near rotted and split. It's got a split that runs almost 10 inches down the middle. If I get too aggressive with my levering here, it's going to break plumb in half. I can feel it. Okay, I'm going to do some evaluating, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.